Hey guys, it's Crystal here with the Crystalina Perspective. Today we are creating a wedding memory journal. Y'all, I felt like this was the perfect notebook for this project. So you want to gather your supplies. I have some stickers, some photos, my HP sprocket, some washi tape, scissors, some things that came in the mail like envelopes and packaging that I wanted to reuse. I also have these fun decorative scissors. I have a paper trimmer, and I have this Archer and Olive notepad that has different color pages. So to start out, you want to select the design that is tailored to you and your significant other, or tailored to you and your style. I have a vintage style. When I was proposed to in November, everything was in this beautiful vintage location. So I'm just recycling an envelope here and I'm cutting it down to sides. I'm going to glue it and add it inside of my journal. And the ideal for this project is kind of like a scrapbook, but in your journal. It's a more smaller version, especially if people are intimidated by the 12 by 12 scrapbook option. And essentially, I'm just going to layer each element here according to my liking. So whatever adhesives you have, whatever photos you have, whatever elements or embellishments you have, that's what I would use. I'm using the Archer and Olive notepad paper to kind of create my own labels. I know in some scrapbook kits you get labels and stuff, but you can just do it yourself. And basically you're just going to write what you want to write and take your adhesive and attach it to wherever you see fit in your spread. So wedding memory journals, there's not a lot of them around. Typically people, just have either a bullet journal or a planner. My purpose for this was to store all of the sweet moments of our engagement period, our wedding, and our first year, if I can fit it all in this journal. So for today's preview, I'm just going to simply show you guys how I am making up a few quick pages in my journal. The entire full video will be over on the Crystalina Perspective YouTube, and I will have the details listed for you guys in the Archer and Olive blog. So when it comes to making your actual spreads, as you guys see right here, I'm simply placing down my photos first, and then I'm going to embellish, and I like to leave myself some room so that I can document my feelings and thoughts about what happened. So you guys will see here that I am writing November the 6th of 2021. I am writing that it was a supposed birthday photo shoot that turned into a proposal. So everything was perfect. I like to divide up my pages sometimes with washi tape. So that's what I'm doing. I'm dividing up the page so that way I can write down my thoughts about the venue, location where my honey proposed to me. And basically, you can just make this what it is you want it to be. You don't ever have to even show it to anyone if you don't want to. Memory journals are really nice to make. You can make them in any size journal from Archer and Olive, and you can make them as big or as small as you like, or as simple or as extravagant as you like. So as you guys can see, I am making really, really good use of my notepad paper here. I'm going to make a really simple spread on this page over on the right. I'm going to simply attach a photo, attach a label, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of space so that way I can kind of journal out my thoughts and feelings about what occurred. So the reason why I did a wedding memory journal opposed to a scrapbook is, like I stated previously, sometimes scrapbooking in a 12 by 12 sides can be a little bit intimidating. So this is just another form of memory keeping that's more tangible. I typically err on sizes that are typically A5 and below. So this size is perfect for the person that may be intimidated by larger size notebooks or pages. So we're just going to continue to embellish here. I'm using stickers. You can draw, you can paint, you can use inks, alcohols, whatever it is that you prefer to create the look that you are going for. And of course, I am journaling here. As I stated previously, the entire spread or wedding planner setup in its entirety as in video will be up on the Crystalina Perspective, but here is a really quick flip through for your convenience so you can kind of see how I set up this notebook. I just made it my own, guys. I used things that were in my stash. I had fun with this project, and most importantly, I made sure that I made the photographs the highlight of the pages. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch me on the blog.